Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup pasta. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of small pasta, like ditalini or orzo, along with 6 cups of your favorite broth. Don't forget your chosen vegetables and seasonings. Having everything ready before you start makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. A good quality broth is key for delicious flavor. Next, pour your 6 cups of broth into a large pot and bring it to a strong boil. Once boiling, add any harder vegetables, such as diced carrots or celery. Let these simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are tender but still have a slight bite. This step ensures your vegetables are perfectly cooked and infuse the broth with their flavors. Now it's time for the pasta. Carefully add your 8 ounces of small pasta directly into the simmering broth. Stir it immediately and continue to stir frequently for the first few minutes to prevent sticking. Cook the pasta for about 8 to 10 minutes, or according to package directions, until it reaches a perfect al dente texture. This ensures it's tender but not mushy. Finally, during the last minute of cooking, stir in any delicate greens, such as fresh spinach or chopped parsley. Taste and adjust the seasonings with salt and pepper as needed. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like basil or chives adds a wonderful aroma. Serve your delicious soup pasta immediately in warm bowls and enjoy this comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.